Hi guys, my name is Advita Keshri. By the way, you can call me Addy. And welcome to my channel, Addy Connection. Today we are going to learn about parts of the body. So let's start. This is a head. H-E-A-D. Head. This is hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. This is a forehead. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Forehead. These are eyebrows. E-Y-E-B-R-O-W-S. Eyebrows. These are eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. This is a nose. N-O-S-E. Nose. These are cheeks. C-H-E-E-K-S. Cheeks. These are ears. E-A-R-S. Ears. This is a mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. These are lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. These are teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. This is a tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. This is a chin. C-H-I-N. Chin. This is a neck. N-E-C-K. Neck. This is a shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. These are arms. A-R-M-S. Arms. This is an elbow. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. This is a hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. These are fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. This is a stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. This is a back. B-A-C-K. Back. These are hips. H-I-P-S. Hips. These are legs. L-E-G-S. Legs. These are knees. K-N-E-E-S. Knees. This is a foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. These are toes. T-O-E-S. Toes. I hope you liked my video. Like, subscribe and share. Bye.